I would say the workplace culture is very collaborative. Everybody wants to work as a team. Communication is so open and everybody wants each other to succeed.
I'd say it's very professional, but it's also welcoming. It's very easy to feel like I'm part of the team and everyone's very helpful and nice.
Everyone's so helpful, which definitely helps when acclimating to a new job.
Everyone's comfortable going up to people in their department and asking their own questions, so definitely a teaching and learning culture here.
When I came into the internship, I wasn't very comfortable because I didn't know anyone here and I didn't know how I would do and I didn't know the people around here. But when I went ahead, right now I'm the most comfortable as I've ever been.
My nerves went away quick because everyone was so welcoming and very friendly, and it just feels like by the second or third day I've been working here for months.
I think one of my favorite things about it is that all the interns are taken very seriously and given important work, and I've gotten to do some projects that are for pretty big companies, which is very exciting.
Being able to work in this very busy but productive and fast-paced environment, such a facility like this one, it's really a novel experience, and it's one that invokes a sense of pride in being able to participate in.
It gave me a nice experience of learning about what this company actually does and the different fields that it's involved in.
I think I gained a lot of perspective in teamwork, like how everyone just works together.
Juggling different tasks from day to day. Like each day I work on about 10 different things all at once, and I've been able to juggle in between those things so much better because of working here.
So I learned a lot of lean manufacturing methodologies, 5S, spaghetti diagrams, things like that I didn't learn in school, especially being a finance and accounting background.
So being able to actually put in what I've learned in school into the actual testing environment, being able to use my hands to test some test boards, running some code, all the other fun stuff actually made it more enjoyable than just doing all the theory.
I'm really liking the 3D modeling that I've been doing every day. That's been a lot of fun.
Definitely the CAD. I loved working with the software. It was really fun.
Hardware skills that I've learned, like I've become really proficient in 3D modeling using Creo, really proficient in engineering drawings, but some soft skills is, for instance, in the intern project, like kind of working with a bunch of different viewpoints, a bunch of different disciplines of engineering. And
I definitely most enjoyed meeting new people. I made a lot of professional connections. I really enjoyed meeting my marketing communications team, but also making new friends along the way.
Like collaborating with my team and just learning more about like what exactly is done here at Amphenol Aerospace. Like obviously I know the company, but like getting more in depth into the actual connectors and like my board level products team specifically.
I think I enjoy the people the most, so like my peers, my supervisor, and like I guess the other coworkers. They're very friendly and very helpful with everything.
The other interns are great. It's a great atmosphere, as well as the full-time employees have really been mentors throughout this whole thing.
I enjoyed the collaboration I had with my fellow interns and employees here at Amphenol, and also learning more about the processes and just how Amphenol operates as a successful company.
My advice for a future intern at Amphenol would be to say yes to different things. And I know that's a typical one that you probably hear, but I am currently a chemical engineer working on signal integrity testing. So it was definitely a good idea, and I've learned a lot of things that I would not have learned if I didn't say yes to that opportunity.
I learned that making mistakes, obviously you don't want to make too many mistakes, but they're not the end of the world. You just got to learn from them. Don't get too down on yourself.
Just to be open to learning new things and not passing down opportunities.
I would say definitely don't be afraid to advocate for yourself. Don't be afraid to go ask your supervisor for work. A lot of the time they just don't know if you're out, if you haven't talked to them. So communicate with a lot of people, collaborate with people. Don't be afraid to ask questions because they're encouraged.
Don't be afraid to voice your opinion if you think something can be done more efficiently or better.
Work becomes a lot more enjoyable when you collaborate with your peers and make those networking connections within the office.